It's marked brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can change the size of this slide here. Yes, very important. So sometimes maybe we want to do a presentation. Let's want to change it, right? So definitely, if I come like this and put it into full screen, you notice how wide it is. All right, definitely I'm going to change the size by coming right up here to click on the design tab, come all the way down here to size. So when you click, you notice it shows that it's actually and wide. When you click on standard right here, you notice show your maximize and fit. Right, so I click on that. If I put it back into full screen mode, you notice how it stay, how small it come in. So you have to be mindful of that definitely when you're doing a presentation, this slide size. So just simply come right here, change it back. If you want it, just like that. I just come like this. I get it back up. So that's the way after I change this, the size of your slide. So very important. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.